Hi, Mike Bolin here at the RV Corral in Eugene, Oregon. I'm going to show you this 2015 30-foot full wall slide Sunseeker. And we'll just start right here since we're looking right at it. This is really unique. It's the whole wall of this, the left side of this motorhome is one big slide. As you notice, it's got a one-piece wraparound front fiberglass cap on it, which is really nice to keep the moisture out and keep the rain out when you're traveling. And does also have a one-piece fiberglass roof on it. Real nice feature. Come on around here. This model does come with electric awning. This is full body paint, no stripes, all paint, so it'll last a lot longer and it'll stay shiny its whole life. Okay. Got a nice little all fiberglass waterproof storage area here, and these all the Sunseekers come with a Ride Right Firestone airbags in the back so you can adjust the ride. Another great feature on the new Class C's is complete pass-through storage. Another real unique thing on the Forest River Sunseekers is they come with a 7,500 pound towing hitch instead of a 5,000. All your other Class C's will be a 5,000 pound towing capacity. Got a rear camera, nice ladder to get up on your roof. Let's go inside and take a look at this floor plan. It's quite unique. As you can see, this one has the front entertainment center. Nice, great big TV in it. You can see it from anywhere in the whole coach. This one does have also the Bigfoot leveling system in it, very rare on a Class C. All remote control. Show you all this great storage it has. And these are leveled. They got a shelf in the middle, so you can use it almost as a pantry if you like. Nice little coat rack. Here's your convention center, convenience center, generator stop and start, take monitor system, battery monitor, electric and gas water heater, water pump. This one also has a Arctic pack, which has like a electric blanket around the tanks, and the switch is here also. As you can see, all solid surface countertops, two nice big sinks, very deep too. Makes it a lot easier to wash those dishes without getting the counter all taken out. Got a little trash system here that actually has a little door on the outside, so you don't have to pull it out from underneath the cabinetry and spill it all over the place. You just drop it in there and then you go outside and grab it from the outside and pull it straight out. Nice glass top on the range. Lots of cabinetry, lots of drawers, all full extension drawers. So lots of nice storage space in this. If you notice how open this is right in this area, it's because of the full wall slide. It's got lots of room in the bathroom and in the kitchen area. And another real unique thing for a Class C is a 4-door fridge. Nice 12 cubic foot ice with an ice box and ice tray, ice maker, excuse me. So this is kind of like a Class A. It reminds me a lot of a Class A. The room and the having that much refrigeration. And to go with that, the rest of all that storage, got a nice pantry here. As we go through into the bathroom, you notice how wide it is. Lots of room. Got a nice walk-in shower. Nice skylights. You got one here, you got one up there. Really brings a lot of light in here. Bathroom area, got nice medicine cabinet. Nice big sink. Got a laundry chute. And storage area there. Just feels real big in here. Now your closet area is also a slide out. Kind of got his and hers. So you got both sides of these full length closets. Nice big window in the back. It just real light in here, the whole coach. So this is a great new floor plan available through Forest River. We can't keep them on the lot. They're really popular. They just feel like a Class A. So my name is Mike Bowen. I'm here at the RV Corral. My phone number is 541-914-8636.